What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We got out fishing this last weekend and caught some fish, had some fun times, but ran into a couple issues. We're gonna be doing some more marine stuff, so if you got any stuff, send it my way. I'll take a look at it, do what I can, and this is what we got going. So this guy on Facebook said he was asking for a marine shop. I seen it this morning. This is the motor of his. It's a 90 horse, oil injected. And you might be thinking to yourself, Carson, what are you doing? This is fishing content. But no, this is kind of like something I want to do on the side too. Maybe it comes in the future, I don't know. But I just like working on things because I get the experience of working on things. I can carry that over not only my own stuff, but for future endeavors, whether that's helping other people's or, again, my own stuff. And I'm going to be doing anything from if you want me to recarpet your thing to fixing the engine, really. He said he was having issues with it last year, starting last fall, and kind of carried over into this year because he went out last week, and oh my gosh, was last weekend beautiful. That was when I went out with the boys, and we got some footage of that. We'll roll that here.
I got my head checked by a jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing is. No.
Apart from that note, we're going to be getting this boat back and running. Don't know if it's something in the fuel issue, because that's all right here. I think that's the pump right here. It's a little different than motors I've worked on in the past. Fuel filter, or pump, filter, that goes straight to the carbs. I hope it's as easy as it looks, but if all I have to do is take these bolts off here, and then that entire carb just slides right off after taking apart the linkages and all whatnot. I mean, that might be all it is, because that's kind of what I was having with my boat. That was the issue I was having, and brought it down. Paid $150 an hour. Thanks to Midtown Marine. I mean, they did a great job. She's running beautifully, but I didn't want to have another guy go through that, and I kind of want to start my own thing. So you got to start small. I'm going to start off at $50 an hour. Nothing major, but just some cash in the pocket and smiles on other guys' faces for getting their stuff back and running cheaper. So we're going to get into the video. All right. So here's what I'm seeing. I sprayed dirt fluid in there, and it didn't even get it to pop, just go. But it's kind of just sputtering. It's been sputtering. So I'll show you what I've been seeing and hearing. You can hear it kind of wants to go. I think I figured it out. Pretty sure it's the fuel pump issue, but I thought I'd take a little break, poos. Have myself a little campfire. I threw some of that hydraulic oil on there to get it going, because I think this wood's pretty wet, if you can hear it. Yeah, but it's kind of cold out. It's kind of cozy. What's up, guys? Back on Saturday, and officially graduated. Let's go. But other than that, we just got the parts in. Got them put back in here. And here's the parts. I mean, just showing you. Of course, I ripped this off, but obliterated there. And just absolutely dry rod the heck out of that. But, yeah, I hope that that's the issue. But we got everything hooked back up. Gonna give it a couple fires. It's not start a fire, but all we gotta do left is tighten her down, give her a shot. Alright, here goes nothing. Put it in neutral. Make sure the prop's not hitting the ground. No. Alright, here we go. No way! Let's go! Let's freaking go! Let's go! Let's go, baby! We freaking did it! I thought I was cooked. First client down in the books. Let's go!